It was October 1943. The United States government authorized an experiment that would render its ships undetectable by radar. The experiment took place on a ship in Philadelphia Harbor.
Generators activated, sir.
For 41 years, the government denied it ever happened.
I don't believe this.
The Eldridge has vanished.
Of course she has. She's radar invisible.
No, sir. She's really vanished.
But one ship did disappear, and two of the crew suddenly find themselves in the present.
Maybe all this isn't real.
You're telling me this is my imagination? You think the Navy knows what they're doing? You saw the guys on the boat. This wasn't supposed to happen, Jimmy.
Jimmy, whatever it is, it's after us!
Michael Pare.
Somehow we got moved in time. This time, it's not ours. 1943 was yesterday for me.
Menzie Allen.
What sort of experiment is it? Is it some kind of secret thing? Is that it?
Well, all that stuff I told the doctors back there, you know, about time in 1943, do you believe it?
I believe that you believe it.
And Bobby DiCicco.
Don't leave me, Davey. Can't go through this again.
The Philadelphia experiment. They opened a hole in time, and it stayed open.
Good God, there it is.
Now, the government needs the one man who can stop the experiment.
Look out!
We can't stop it, but I believe that you can.
He's lying, David.
I wish to God I were.
I gotta go.
Now, look, communication ceases when you enter the vortex. We won't be able to help you.
A Philadelphia experiment.
The letter claims that 12 years previously, at the height of World War II, the Navy had conducted several radical experiments in Philadelphia aboard a destroyer, the USS Eldridge, that made it simply vanish into thin air. During one trial, the ship rematerialized 200 miles away in Norfolk, Virginia, before disappearing again and reappearing once more in Philadelphia. The letter attributes the technology that made the ship invisible to Albert Einstein, saying the great genius had secretly developed a single unified theory to tie together all of the laws of physics.
A unified field theory combines the equations that govern the interaction of matter with itself and with light, and with both of those with gravity. The idea is, if we can come up with this elegant set of equations that explains the way the universe works, perhaps we can do something with those. Bend light, change the nature of space-time, teleport, render things invisible.
Einstein himself said he was working on this theory, but never cracked it. According to the letter's author, he secretly had. And at the height of World War II, the Navy used his idea to bend light and make a warship invisible.
How we see an object is that the light illuminates it. The laser illuminates our model ship. You can see it. You can see the green flashing off of it. However, the idea of using unified field theory is that you could then redirect this light so that it no longer passes across the object, but just goes around it.
All right, people, safety positions. Fire it up.
They restarted the program with the Department of Defense. They tried to recruit me.
24 Teslas. So you faked your own death?
They're not the kind of people you want to say no to.
32 Teslas and climbing.
I hope you know what you're doing.
Abracadabra.
There is a World War II destroyer on the runway.
USS Eldridge.
The Eldridge is back.
Deck 3 to bridge. Anyone there?
The assets ID to survivor.
William Gardner, chief technician on Salinger's team. If he's alive, we need him here.
Energy spike, here it comes.
It's gonna jump. I think there's a survivor, Molly. I'm gonna have to call you back.
What? Carl, wait.
When I couldn't bring you back, I knew I'd made a terrible mistake.
I want these people brought in. Now. In the best and only way I know.
Where's Bill Gardner?
He's got a big problem.
Go! Go! Go!
We altered the timeline. We have to fix it.
You're the only one who can shut it down.
Here we go.
You got nowhere to go! Get down! I don't shoot this down, we're all gonna die!
As long as that includes you.
40 Teslas, hold on here.
And documented by Gaia. In 2016, several humanoid mummies were discovered near Nazca, Peru, and documented by Gaia. Find out the latest DNA results and scientific data that suggest these bodies are authentic, potentially out of this world. Is there a concerted effort to discredit and deny the evidence? The Ministry of Culture was interested in participating, but for unknown reasons, they've backed down.
If it was really they should be able to show CAT scans and x-rays of the individual.
They have done x-rays on them. Is that something the Ministry of Culture would be interested in?
Never before seen footage of the location where the bodies were found.
It's clear that this was some hidden place. Maybe there are more subjects.
New high-resolution CAT scans that contain startling revelations.
Inside them, he was able to detect the traitors of some region.
you.